Welcome back to Friday Briefing. Thank you very much for staying with us. Let's take a look at some business news now. And government has denied allegations by a section of clearing agents at Busia and Malaba borders that the new one-stop border point system was targeting to edge them out of business in favor of their Ugandan counterparts. According to Kenya Revenue Authority Customs and Border Control Manager John Gathatwa, the automation of clearing process has been a thorny issue among most clearing agents. Gathatwa dismissed claims of a standoff between KRA and clearing agents over licensing, noting that